Na poti v Škofjo Loko sem se z ekipo ustavil tudi v Ljubljani. V prečudovitem dnevu je bila prestolnica zelo živahna in polna turistov. Zanimalo me je, kako se bodo odzvali, če jim pred očmi malce spremenim zakone fizike.
Ciao, živijo, dober dan. I can speak English. Where are you from?
Belgium and Turkey.
Turkey and Belgium?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Celine.
Celine.
Yes.
Jera.
Jera?
Yeah.
Ina.
Ina, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Hello.
Cesar.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, come. Are you, do you want to see some magic? It's,
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Because it's a hot day today. I was
Yeah.
thirsty, actually I bought water, but for the advertisement reasons I put off the advertisement here. But it's factory sealed, so you can check yourself if you want. Is it
Okay.
factory sealed?
Yes. It's
Yeah.
closed.
Yeah, actually you can open it for me, please. You can open it.
Good job, Jelen.
It was closed.
Yeah, it's factory sealed. Yeah, you can try. It's water.
I'm drinking.
It's okay. Yeah.
Na zdravje.
You can actually share water if you feel.
No, I
Do you have a coin on you? Maybe like a few cents.
Yeah.
10, 20 cents, maybe.
I do. 10 cents.
Oh, perfect. Just hold it. Yeah.
Bir şey var şu an.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, Ina, can you check your coin, please, for me?
Yes.
Yes.
Bak koyduğu için
Is it?
gördün mü?
Yeah. Okay. Now, Ina, just hold the bottle. Hold the bottle strong. Strong. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, do you see the coin in my hand?
Yes.
You see very good.
Yes.
Okay, I will count to 3.
Okay.
Just hold strong.
1.
1. Hold strong.
Yes.
Tight. 2. 3.
Oh my god.
Shake.
Oh, it's in bottle. Wow.
Whoa! What happened?
Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yes. Good for you.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Shake it.
How did you? What the?
Mari'nin
Yes, I see.
Yes, we see it.
Çocuk ne yaptı biliyor musun bana kardeş? İnanılmaz bir şeyler. Şeydesi de var, 4'e böldürdü. Selin'e. Karıştırdı onları, bir şey daha.
Wow.
Tamam mı? Kartı çektim, baktım, desteğe koydum o kadar. Telefonla şöyle yaptım, Facebook'una. Facebook'una. Facebook.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoa!
You can have it if you want.
No, thank you.
You can check it if you want.
No. Come on, check it.
How did you do it?
So
Whoa!
weird.
Super cool.
Super cool.
Whoa!
Yeah, thank you.
Wow.
Good job. Good job,
Yeah,
buddy,
really good.
job.
Whoa!
Well
Thank
done.
you. Yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah,
I
it was
thought it was
perfect.
crazy.
Wow.
I'm really amazed.
Hey girls, come on.
No, that's amazing.
Yes, amazing. You see.